Hello students, today we are going to discuss sodium chloride NaCl, that is common salt. It is prepared by reaction between sodium hydroxide solution and hydrochloric acid. Sodium hydroxide solution NaOH plus hydrochloric acid HCl give rise to sodium chloride NaCl and H2O. This reaction is neutralization reaction. Sodium hydroxide is a strong base and hydrochloric acid is strong acid. Therefore, salt formed is neutral. Seawater contains many salts dissolved in it. Sodium chloride is separated from these salts. Deposits of solid salts are also found in many parts of the world. These crystals are often brown due to impurities, and this is called rock salt. Its mining is like coal. You all know about Mahatma Gandhi's salt march. Sodium chloride was an important symbol in the struggle for freedom. Uses of sodium chloride. It is an important component of diet. It is used for preserving number of food materials. It is used in preparation of soap. It is a starting material for the preparation of other chemicals such as sodium hydroxide, sodium carbonate, sodium hydrogen carbonate, bleaching powder, and many others. Sodium hydroxide. When electricity is passed through aqueous solution of sodium chloride, it forms sodium hydroxide NaOH, Cl2 chlorine gas, and H2 hydrogen gas. Aqueous solution of sodium chloride is known as brine. And the preparation of sodium hydroxide by this process is called chlor-alkali process. This is because the product formed chlorine and sodium hydroxide, which is saltwater soluble base. Three products produced in this process are useful. Three products: sodium hydroxide solution, hydrogen gas, and Cl2 gas. Hydrogen at cathode, Cl2 at anode, and sodium hydroxide in solution. Hydrogen used as fuel. It is used in manufacture of ammonia, which is further used in the preparation of urea and ammonium sulfate. It is used in hydrogenation of vegetable oil to solid fat, that is margarine. With Cl2, it forms hydrochloric acid. Cl2 used as disinfectant. It is used in preparation of pesticides. It is used in preparation of bleaching powder and PVC and CFC. PVC polyvinyl chloride, CFC chlorofluorocarbon. Sodium hydroxide is used as lab reagent. It is used in preparation of soap and detergents. It is used in paper industry and it is used in making artificial fibers. Next compound is bleaching powder. Chlorine gas produced during the electrolysis of aqueous solution of sodium chloride is used for the preparation of bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is produced by action of chlorine on slaked lime, calcium hydroxide. It is represented by CaOCl2, that is calcium oxychloride. CaOH twice calcium hydroxide, when reacted with Cl2, it forms CaOCl2 calcium oxychloride and H2O, water. Uses of calcium oxychloride. It is used for bleaching cotton in textile industry and for bleaching wood pulp in paper industries and for bleaching washed cloth in laundry. It is used as an oxidizing agent in many chemical industries. For disinfecting drinking water to make it free of germs. Next compound is baking soda. Chemical name of baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate. Its formula is NaHCO3. It is also known as mitha soda. Preparation of baking soda, that is sodium hydrogen carbonate by Solvay process or ammonia soda process. When carbon dioxide is passed through aqueous solution of sodium chloride saturated with ammonia, it forms ammonium chloride NH4Cl, which is soluble in water, and sodium hydrogen carbonate, that is baking soda, being less soluble, separate out as solid and is filtered off. Properties of baking soda. It is basic salt. Its aqueous solution is alkaline. It turns red litmus blue. Its pH is more than 7. Due to sodium hydroxide, that is strong base, and carbonic acid, which is weak acid, present in solution. On heating, sodium hydrogen carbonate form sodium carbonate Na2CO3, water H2O, carbon dioxide CO2. Reaction with acid. Sodium hydrogen carbonate, when react with hydrochloric acid, it forms sodium chloride NaCl, water H2O, and carbon dioxide CO2. Uses of baking soda, that is sodium hydrogen carbonate. It is used as an antacid. Excess acid produced in stomach due to eating of spicy food is easily neutralized by sodium hydrogen carbonate, which is basic salt. Therefore, baking soda is used as an antacid. Soda commonly used in kitchen for making tasty crispy pakoda is baking soda. Next, it is used in baking powder. Baking powder is a mixture of sodium hydrogen carbonate, that is baking soda, and tartaric acid. In making foodstuffs such as bread, cake, where softness and fluffiness is required, baking powder is added. This is because on heating, sodium hydrogen carbonate, that is baking soda, decompose to give carbon dioxide, which causes bread or cake to rise and make them highly porous. Now, function of this tartaric acid is to neutralize sodium carbonate formed during heating. Otherwise, cake or bread will taste bitter. Sodium hydrogen carbonate baking soda is used in fire extinguisher. In soda, acid, fire extinguisher. Soda means baking soda. Acid, sulfuric acid. In soda acid fire extinguisher, a solution of sodium hydrogen carbonate is placed in a cylinder fitted with nozzle. A bottle containing concentrated sulfuric acid H2SO4 is also fitted in the cylinder. When knob fitted on the cylinder is pressed, the bottle containing sulfuric acid breaks and the acid reacts with sodium hydrogen carbonate. When acid reacts with sodium hydrogen carbonate, it gives carbon dioxide gas. As a result, supply of air is cut off and fire is extinguished.